In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an ad using Meta Business Suite, simple and easy, for your Facebook page or your Facebook account. So every Facebook account has a Meta Business Suite inside. So you just log into your account or you just search business Facebook and then you are good to go. You just tap on that. Your Facebook should have some. So you can see this is my page on Facebook. So now to create an ad, all you are going to do is you can see ads here. Tap on that. So the ads manager is going to give you tools to manage the ads you are running on your account. So now let's tap that. Let's open a new page for that. Okay, good. So hopping on this page here, what you are going to do is you can see create ad at the top right corner of your screen. Create beside your profile. Tap on create an ad to create a new one. So if you have any ad here, you're going to see the summary and everything. So Facebook have this automatic ads, that's automated ads, which are not going to use that. So we should choose the ad type here. We are going to do it intentional or manually. So you can create an ad to get more messages. You can test out stuff, boost your Facebook content. If you have a post that you think a lot of people need to see, you can boost it that way. Get more page get more calls if you run a business, get more website visited, same way to your business website. Get more page followers and the rest, and get more leads, that's potential customers. So my page has less than 300 followers and I have a lot of followers on YouTube. So I'm trying to get more page likes. So let me tap on this here. Good. So you can see all previews for laptops, for mobile phones and the rest. Good. So now let's try to create the ad. So definitely when you're trying to create an ad, so this ad is mainly for likes. So you don't really need to know more about ads. But if you're trying to create it for leads, you need to know more about ads. I would say that's why you have people that especially run ads for businesses. This is for just page likes. So yeah, you can do it yourself. We will have to use a post or we will have to create a new post, something like that. So I created it for more likes. So I'm going to add a button, which is follow button. So I don't want them to do anything. When you see my page like this, just tap on the follow. Something like that. That's what I need from them. Page likes and follow. You can use the post you have already. So you just tap on the use post. How to pay something on Google Play Store, which is a video I made. So this is how it looks like. Since it's a thumbnail, that's why it's not appearing nice. But then this is how it's going to appear. That's the preview for a mobile phone. Yeah, so they'll get the like or the follow button there. Good. So now let's scroll to the bottom. Give advantage, you turn this on. So you are going to Facebook data to automatically deliver different ads to variants of people. So turn this on. So you can specialize your ad category if you want to. So I think this is much important. So they get to show the ads to people that love watching that type of stuff. So social issues, politics, blah, blah, blah. So this is something around finance, paying for, an app on Google Play Store, something like that. Yeah. So I select that there. So you can edit your audience details. So just like I was saying, if you are running it for business, let's say you are trying to create leads, you need to limit some type of people that will be watching the ads. So let's say, I was saying this is, let's say you're a business and you sell kids stuff. So definitely people that are older have kids. So that's down your audience to females most of the times and to males around age 30. So definitely he's a male but he has a child, so we can order something like that. So now let's change the audience details. But for me, I think it's okay because they're just liking the page. I don't need to choose between a man or woman. Everybody goes. And the location too, you can good. And also for the location, let's say I want to target people only in the US, right? I want my ads to be shown to people only in the US. So what I'm going to do is just use the drop pin here, right? So just tap on the drop pin, select the preferred location. I've switched it to the United States. So which side is it choosing? It's actually choosing Canada, right? Yeah. So I select that. So it's going to show the ads to people in Canada, that location. So you can just minimize it if you want to get to see it well. So it's actually in Edmonton, Calgary. Yeah. So it's in North America, but then you can also drag this more to make the area big, right? Good. And also there are lots of things. Just like I said, if you're running it for business leads, you need to do all these settings, which I think is a lot. Yeah, you just want it for likes. So yeah, let me just confirm it. So we select our audience details. We selected the type of people we want, which is the gender, the age, and also audience, targeting their location and the rest. So now let's come down here. Transparency, you can ignore that because you need to do a verification. And then this year, your budget for the ad, so $5 a day, you're going to get 2.5 to 5k impressions every day. So impression is like anytime they show it to somebody, anytime somebody sees it, like a second to 3 seconds or something like that. When someone sees it, it's called an impression. Yeah. So the placements across Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and the rest, since you're running the ad on Meta, yeah, they can show your ad on Instagram and the rest. It's up to you, WhatsApp and the rest. So now you need to set a payment method. So you just need to add your card or something like that. Add a Visa card, or you can pay with PayPal, which that is financial information. So you are going to do that yourself. You just need to tap on the ad. Nothing special. When you tap on the ad, so when you tap on the ad, you add your card and you are good to go. So you can choose PayPal. Yeah, they will let you log in your PayPal account. You can choose the Visa if you have a Visa or a MasterCard, American Express, any of them. You tap on next, you enter your card, you are good to go. And here you can adjust the amount of money you're trying to spend on the ad to, yeah, the more you pay, the more your ad is being shown to a lot of people. So $500 per day, you have almost 340,000 people to 442,000 people seeing your ad every blessed day. Let's move it here. Me, I don't have any money, so $3 a day, so up to 3k impressions. Yeah. So now let's come here. Let's go to the top. So you can see this is how your ad is looking like. And they are saying it's ready to be published. I've not added any payment section there. And the estimated result here. So if I pay this $3 per day for followers, it's going to be shown to 3,000 people maximum, just like I said. And I can get 61 likes. They're not saying I'm going to get 61 likes. I can get. So it's like a percentage. And then I'm going to pay this amount of money. Right? So $3 a day. So it's going to be something like this. 3.60. So I need to adjust the number of days I'm wanting to run the ad. Yeah. So I would have to come down here to adjust the start and then the end date. So the run date is this. Now I need to choose the end date. So the days, I can make it 1 week, which is 7 days, right? Yeah. Something like this. So when I make it 7 days, it means every day is $3. So you can see the total has changed. You can run it for a month. It's up to you. You can make it 5 days. You can make it 3 days. So for best results, they mostly set it to 3 days. So let me make it 2 weeks. That's 14 days. And I'll have to be paying $50 because it's $3 a day. That's 3k subscriptions in a day. So my results will also change as well. Something like that. So that's it. After that, after you've added your payment option and everything, you tap on this here to publish, or you can schedule it. Yeah. So just like you schedule your post, you can also schedule your ad too as well. So you schedule it. Okay. So I have this ad running. At this time, this ad should also continue running. At this time, this ad should also continue running. So when you tap on schedule here, you schedule the time you want it to be posted. Let's say I have an ad running for this week. So I want to post this too for this week too as well. And you set the time. Setting Facebook time is some way, so you have to manually set it yourself. Yeah, so 12 o'clock a.m. exactly that Sunday 23rd, this ad should also run. Simple. And then you tap on schedule. So if you're trying to publish it straight away, you just tap on the publish and you're good to go. So that's it on how you run an ad on Facebook or on Meta using the Meta Business Suite. I think I've talked about everything. But then, just like I said, if you're trying to run the ad for followers and then likes, I think this tutorial is good for you. It's best. But then if you're trying to run it to get leads, to get more, customers and the rest, you need to get an ad specialist. Even big businesses have that. So you can, make the proper settings and maximize it or optimize it well, so you can get a lot of leads. Else they are going to show your ads to just broad people that don't even. So let's say you have a child and then they show the ad to someone who is 15 years. How can someone who is 15 years have a child and even plan to buy something for their child? Does it make sense? So that's it on how you run the ads. So if you have any question, let me know. There's a long video. I didn't plan for that. So that's it once again.